What's the little pedestal for? Just put your camera on that.
It's a fishing rod holder.
Well, it'd be pretty easy to mount a camera on there with something. I'm
yeah,
sure
but
we could.
I'm not going to have my own kayak when I go to picture rocks.
Oh.
Where's yours?
Get a head mount for your camera.
Gorilla legs. See gorilla legs?
Oh yeah, yours are a little different than ours, but you know, I think ours would still work, wouldn't it? We have little tripods too.
When are you going to picture rock devils?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. So next week's Tawas, week after that, picture rock.
Yeah.
Oh.
We'll come up to Rifle River next weekend then.
Next weekend we're at Tawas, yeah. Camping. I think we're gonna go up to the Osada because the family wants the tube down in Osada in there.
We like to go and watch. That's not a river I like to be on when it's that popular, but
Yeah.
I love to sit there and watch all the drunks try to get out of their boats.
Yeah. Same thing with the flat. If you go to the lower flat,
Yeah.
when you do that, yes.
Rifle gets kind of wild sometimes too.
Oh, I think the rifle is wild.
So that's an ocean kayak. I didn't know that.
What's that?
It's an ocean kayak.
Ocean.
It is?
Yeah, you can't tip it over. It's an ocean kayak. That's what they call the ones that you sit on top of rather than in.
It's a sit on.
Yeah. Got big giant
Yeah,
holes
I want to set this one up to
in the
fish
bottom.
with.
Like 4 of them in
Put a
front
fish
here
finder and
some
rod
in the
holders
back.
and stuff on it.
I'm sorry, I can't hear both of you. Something about fishing and underneath or...
What were you saying, Dave? Nothing? These flies are biting pretty good.
We got rod holders on ours.
Oh yeah.
When Paul goes salmon fishing, catches those big ones, those he gets out.
I would.
But then he just hooks them to his kayak and lets them pull them up and down the river. And he's going sideways.
They're trying to go straight and they're going.
I know.
So the kayak
Pull you sideways.
I just
Did you ever try fishing for them in the mouth of the river? When you're coming up, I said that'd be a good place to try it.
Yeah. Actually, on the lower flat, catching just after they come off the lake. Fun to get fresh out of the lake like that, but it's still cold.
Another reason you gotta use fish for them right out in the mouth, right in the lake, right in the mouth.
You showing off?
Almost went over already.
Why?
Well, it's a lot trickier than it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
I was opening my gate and I reached forward. The gate fell in the water.
Sometimes it's hard to hear them over candy.
Is yours tippy yours?
That's Ted's?
Is
Same
yours
as with
tippy
Troy.
like this?
What?
I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Huggy.
Like this? Oh, I'm making somebody seasick here.
They look like they're going over rocks.
Yeah, it is. At the bottom.
I like Jason's. His is like mine, but it's 2 feet shorter, and I would do the shorter if I was to buy one again. Yeah,
Not me. I like the one I got
I would get a shorter one
And why do you like the longer one?
because they don't turn so much.
because he's tall.
Okay.
He has a lot of room.
You like them too. The only reason you don't like them is to haul.
Yeah.
You would like, if it weren't for hauling, this would be the one of choice.
If it weren't for hauling it? Okay, so it's for
Well,
hauling.
then the shorter one we still can't haul, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, probably not.
We got no place to put them when we take the trailer.
We have to drive 2 vehicles to take them anywhere.
Right.
But we like the 12 footers.
You can't put one on top of your truck or something like that?
They're too. If they were 10 footers, we could, but these are too long.
Oh, okay.
You
Well, that's
think
good
so?
to know.
I've seen a lot of people do them with 10 footers.
I don't know. Evelyn, theirs aren't even 10 foot. I think they're 9.5.
I'll have to, yeah, keep that in mind too. I think the Outback could carry quite a few.
The longer, the straighter they are.
You need to move, babe. I'm going right into the.
The longer, yeah, well, no, that has nothing to do with Tippy. Tippy is how much of a V-shaped bottom they have.
Okay.
Yours is a flatter one. I can tell you're not tipping hardly at all.
I don't know, it feels tippy to me.
Oh, it's not.
Okay.
No, look at this.
Yeah. Yeah. Mine, I like them tipped.
Yeah, you can't. Look,
That is not.
here.
Mine won't flip. Yours more for sea kayaking?
Oh, no.
No? Just
Jeff's and
river?
Linda's are.
Yeah.
You can't get them, the water won't come into them.
Uh-huh.
The
Yeah.
water comes up and then drains off.
Oh, that's nice.
They don't have a cockpit.
Yeah.
You sit on top of them.
That's like the one Ed's in then.
Ed's got one like that?
Yeah, he's sitting in. He doesn't have anything in front. It looks like, just a big piece of styrofoam almost. Little Ed.
Oh.
No, oops, sorry, Becky. I'm trying to get away from
It
the.
is no problem at all. When I was in school, I took a canoeing class because they offered it at Northern. That was a lot of fun. Kayaking wasn't a big deal then. Now they probably offer kayaking and not so much. What about my bag? Oh, right behind you.
Yeah, put.
Oh, that's what the problem is, buddy. You got your head on backwards.
You need to put yours on, don't you, dear?
That was the one thing Nick said about you. What?
Oh, is he?
We met up with him in St. Charles with Kylie playing the coach.
Yeah, little bitty turtle right there.
And that's the one thing Nick said about you. You need to tell that kid to turn his hat around.
Yeah, you're getting old there, kid. No, Ed's got a regular one like yours.
Not Little Ed.
Oh, little Ed.
Little Ed.
Oh, little Ed?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, he's got an ocean kayak.
He's got a what?
You're right.
An ocean one, yeah.
I get the Eds all confused.
Well, it's Eddie or the Little Ed. For,
Little Ed or Eddie?
and it's Ed or Eddie for my brother.
Oh. Well, we got a dozen Jerrys,
Most
so.
of my sisters will call my brother Eddie and Little Ed. But Tammy calls Little Ed Eddie. So trying to remember who calls who. And either then you just say my brother or my nephew. Your son or your husband.
What one are you trying to get?
Yep.
Becky would do better in an ocean kayak. She wouldn't have to try to get her legs out of a regular one.
Oh, I thought you were just concerned about her fitting in the hole much longer.
Oh, yeah.
Jason, wow. You're gonna die.
I have only gained 15 pounds.
She's,
How many pounds have you gained since pregnancy?
About the same.
she should be in a tandem just for buoyancy, right?
You guys are so
Well, there are two of them.
Hey, how about them Hawaiian ones that got like the little kickstands on the side with the skids on them?
Oh, the outrigger? The little pontoons on the side?
Yeah.
What you doing? What are you doing, Tammy? You need some help?
Passing through.
I figured it would be a good time before I do
Give her a few hours.
Dad, I'm right behind you. I'm gonna try and swing around. Tammy's gonna go
Here.
to
I'm having a sip of pop. You good? Good. No, no, no. There. Sit. Going down the river. Why are you going backwards?
No. You took over for me.
Say you macaroni.
You must have your brakes on.
I got my backups on. You don't see them.
No.
You missed the backup light.
Your taillights are not working today.
Okay. I'll try to move along. Is anybody what? What, Terry?
Hey, yeah. Hey,
I think you're right. That's exactly what she said.
Oh.
I see Jeff and Linda and Dad. Who else is up there?
Paul and Evelyn and...
Macaroni.
Oh, you're going the wrong way.
Me?
Yeah, don't go that way.
I got this. I got this. I learned. Don't touch the trees.
It looks like there. You gotta look forward there.
I don't want to whistle.
What are you doing?
Yeah, well, I can see him back there. We'll be lucky if they can do it.
I think we're supposed to pedal. Oh, Macaroni, do not.
What other way?
The other side of this.
No.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Oh. Macaroni. Alright. You gotta get out. Okay, there's a problem.
No, not from what I can see.
There's a problem. Okay.
Not unless you carry the boat over the logs.
No! Ah! This is so shallow, it's crazy.
You gotta turn around.
I gotta do that.
You gotta turn around.
You gotta tell me when you
Put your feet in so you can do something. Put your feet in so you can do it right. Can't get no power like that. Now you're really stuck. Oh, I'll just leave you here. When we get back to town, we'll call the cops.
do that. Take that. Turn that off.
Come on.
Turn it off.
Oh, it's not on. The battery died a long time
I
ago.
don't believe you for 2 seconds, Macaroni.
I want to see how you dismount.
Oh my God, I'm gonna kill you. Okay. I think I'll just sit right here on this game,
Okay. Oh, you're moving. Now paddle hard.
You're sure I can't get
Turn around. Turn around. Come on, hurry up. Do it right.
I think I flew around there.
Okay, good luck with that.
Are you sure that's not
That's a tree. Goes all the way to the end.
Is there a tree over there?
That is a tree.
No, serious. Is there a tree over there?
Go for it.
Okay.
Okay, good luck. You might be able to squeeze in the very end. Pick the paddle up.
God, seriously. Oh, it's killing me.
Is there... s- You all right? Hold on. Oh,
There's a tree.
I told you there was a tree. Hold on. I gotta find a place to get out.
My pad is coming out the other side. Do you see my
Cushion?